To connect a Phantom wallet to GMGN.ai, you'll first need a GMGN.ai account. If you don't have one, you can sign up and receive a 30% discount on all trading fees. Next, you'll need to obtain a Phantom wallet by visiting phantom.com and downloading the Chrome extension. Once installed, you can create your wallet and account, which is a straightforward process. After setting up your Phantom wallet, go to the GMGN.ai website and click Sign in with Wallet. Select Phantom as your wallet option, and a pop-up window will appear. Click Connect to confirm the connection. You will then be signed in to GMGN.ai using your Phantom wallet. Additionally, you can switch to a Telegram login by clicking Switch TG Login and following the prompts. This will also allow you to start the bot on your computer or access it through the web. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Phantom wallet to GMGN.ai.